Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Azhar bhai, is my PPT visible?
Yes, yes, it's visible. Actually.
Okay, so in today's lesson, we'll be learning about preposition, some of the preposition. So in Arabic, we call it huruful jar. Huruful jar means preposition. In English, we use preposition, right? So same, we also have in Arabic, we call it huruful jar. So this lesson, the name of the lesson is Ad-Darsu Rabi'. Ad-Darsu Rabi'u. So Ad-Darsu Rabi'u means lesson 4. Ad-Darsu Rabi'u means lesson 4. So in this picture, if you see, this is called Al-Hammamu. Al-Hammamu. Al-Hammamu means bathroom. So in the picture, it's clear that Al-Hammamu means the bathroom. Al-Ghurfatu. Al-Ghurfatu means room. Al-Hammamu means bathroom. Al-Ghurfatu means room. So before going to the main lesson, I want to connect it with the previous lesson, whatever we have learned. So we have learned Baytun, right? This word Baytun means a house. Then we have learned Al-Baytu. Al-Baytu means the house. Then if I see, if I say Fil Bayti, Fil Bayti, Fil Bayti means in the house. In the house. So this word fi means in. So this is a preposition, right? So we read like this, fil baiti. We don't say fil baiti. No, there is iya, but this is shortened because this iya has sukun and here also sukun. In Arabic, if you have two sukun, that is one follows another, then one of them is not read. Okay, so we read fil baiti. We don't read fil baiti. We read fil baiti. So fil baiti means in the house. Similarly, we have learned maktabun. Maktabun means a table or a desk. We can say a desk or a table. Then al-maktabu also we have learned al-maktabu means the desk or the table. If I say alal maktabi means on the table, on the table. So this word ala means on. So another thing you might have noticed that we say al-baytu, al-baytu. There is nothing before it, we say al-baytu. But if I put fi, we say fil bayti. It can never be fil baytu or fil bayta. That will be incorrect. It is always fil bayti. Similarly, alal maktabi. It's not alal maktabu or alal maktaba. It is always like this, alal maktabi. So this word has changed some harakat, right? So we have maktabun, al maktabu, then I have put ala before it, it becomes alal maktabi. So these things we need to remember. So this preposition, when preposition comes before any noun, so this maktabun, al maktabu, this is noun. So before it comes ala is a preposition, so it changes the harakat at the end, right? So before in the beginning harakat or in the middle is not changed, so it become alal maktabi, alal maktabi. So let us start with the main lesson now. So we have seen al-hammamu, al-hammamu, al-ghurfatu. Al-hammamu means bathroom. Al-ghurfatu means simply room. Al-baytu fil bayti. Al-baytu, the house, fil bayti, in the house. Al-masjidu, the masjid, fil masjidi, in the masjid. Al-maktabu, the table. Al-maktabi, on the table. As-sariru, the bed. Alas-sariri, on the bed. Now, this picture you can see this is a kitchen, right? So a kitchen in Arabic we call it al-matbahu. Al-matbahu. Al-matbahu means kitchen. Now we have one word. This is a new word coming. So aina. Aina means where. Aina means where. So it is used for questioning. So if you say, suppose we have a person, and the person was in the room, and you ask, you don't find him, suddenly you don't find him, you can ask, Aina Muhammadun, Aina Muhammadun. The person name is Muhammad, you are saying Aina Muhammadun. This is a question. This means, where is Muhammad? Where is Muhammad? Where is Muhammad? So the answer could be Huwa fil gurfati. Huwa fil gurfati. Fil gurfati, we have seen fil gurfati means in the room. In the room. This construction fil gurfati means in the room. This word huwa is a pronoun. This huwa is in place of Muhammadun, we are using huwa. So huwa means he. So if I say huwa fil gurfati, huwa fil gurfati, this means he is in the room. The question was Aina Muhammadun, Aina Muhammadun. Where is Muhammad? The answer could be Huwa fil gurfati. Huwa fil gurfati. Suppose he is in the room, we can say Huwa fil gurfati. He is in the room. Similarly, the person could be feminine, right? So this word Muhammadun, denoting to a person, is a male, right? But a person can be female, and I can ask Aina Aminatu. Aina Aminatu. Where is Amina? The answer could be Hiya fil matbakhi. Hiya fil matbakhi. We have seen this word matbakh. Matbakh means kitchen. So what is fil matbakh means? Fil matbakhi, in the kitchen. So here, this is another pronoun, is used for she. So this is feminine, right? So this is standing for Amina. So if I ask Aina Aminatu, where is Amina? The answer will be Hiya fil matbakhi. Suppose she is in the kitchen, we'll say Hiya fil matbakhi. Hiya fil matbakhi. She is in the kitchen. Okay, so this is the main part of the lesson. Aina Muhammadun. Aina Muhammadun. Where is Muhammad? Answer could be Huwa fil gurfati. He is in the room. Wa aina yasirun. This wa means and. This means and. So I'm again, I am asking another question. Another person, I'm asking where he is. Wa aina yasirun. Wa aina yasirun. And where is Yasir? We can say Huwa fil hammami. Suppose he is in the bathroom, we can say Huwa fil hammami. Huwa fil hammami. He is in the bathroom. Then suppose we are asking about Amina. Wa aina Aminatu. Wa aina Aminatu. Where is Amina? Hiya fil matbakhi. Hiya fil matbakhi. This hiya means she. Hiya fil matbakhi. Then we can ask about things, right? So we can ask Ainal kitabu. Ainal kitabu. We know al kitabu. Al kitabu means the book. Aina means where. If I say Ainal kitabu, where is the book? Ainal kitabu. Where is the book? It might be on the table. So we say Huwa alal maktabi. Huwa alal maktabi. Here, this word huwa does not mean he, right? It means it. So what we see when we ask Aina Muhammadun, we are saying Huwa fil gurfati. Here we are asking Ainal kitabu. We are also saying Huwa alal maktabi. Huwa alal maktabi. That means this word huwa, this huwa, can mean he or it. The same word, if I use for a person, masculine, then we'll use, this will mean he. And if I use for an object, suppose we are asking Ainal kitabu, where is the book? Then also we can use huwa. But here it doesn't mean he, it means it. Huwa alal maktabi will mean it is on the table. Then next question can be wa aina sa'atu. This is another new word. This means watch. Watch. Wa aina sa'atu. Wa aina sa'atu. Where is the watch? It can be, suppose it is on the bed, we can say hiya ala sariri. Hiya ala sariri. Here you can notice we are also using here for this word, right? For this word sa'a, we are using here. But this here doesn't mean she. It means also it. So what is happening here? For Amina, we have used here, and for as-sa'atu also we are using here. So so you can see we have in Arabic, one noun can be either masculine or feminine. So it must be either masculine or feminine. So any noun in Arabic, it must be either masculine or feminine. So if it is masculine, the pronoun will be using for it huwa. This is for third person singular. Suppose only one person masculine, we want to use the pronoun for him, so we use huwa. If the person is feminine, third person singular, we use hiya. Hiya means she. Similarly, if an object, there is one object, suppose al-kitabu, aina al-kitabu, I'm asking where is the book. So book is a masculine word. In Arabic, book is a masculine word. So for masculine word that can be denoting an object, we also use huwa. Like the masculine word for a person, also we are using huwa. Okay, similarly as-sa'atu is feminine. In Arabic, it is treated as feminine word, as-sa'atu, so we are using here. So feminine, third person feminine singular, if it is a person, we are also using here. Is it understood, Azhar bhai?
जी masculine like be it like person or non-living thing will use हुआ, else
Huwa,
will
for
use
third
हुआ.
person singular, yes.
Okay, okay.
So another useful thing is that you can see as-sa'atu, this word as-sa'atu, there is a ta marbuta at the end, right? This ta marbuta, most of the word with ta marbuta. Suppose if it ends with ta marbuta, most of the word treated as feminine. Not all of them, but mostly it will be feminine. If you see any word that ends with ta marbuta, 90% time it can you can treat it as a feminine. Okay, that is a sign for femininity. Okay, so we have learned something new today, right? So we have a question word aina. Aina means where. So if I say aina Muhammadun, this means where is Muhammad? I'm asking where is Muhammad? So I don't, maybe I expected him to be in a room. I went there, I didn't find him. So what I do, I ask someone else that aina Muhammadun, where is Muhammad? The answer could be he could be another room. Suppose huwa fil gurfati, he is in the room. Wa aina yasirun, this wa, suppose we are keep on asking questions, right? So one question we have asked, we want to ask another question, generally we'll be using wa aina yasirun, and where is yasir? So it could be huwa fil hammam, huwa fil hammami, he is in the bathroom. Then it comes ajib anil as'ilatil atiya. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiya. Ajib means this is a command. Ajib means answer. Answer is a command. Answer anil as'ilatil atiya. Anil as'ilatil atiya. The following question, answer the following questions. So this will be question. So ainal kitabu, ainal kitabu, we can say al kitabu alal maktab, or we can say huwa alal maktabi. Ainal kitabu huwa alal maktabi. Aina Muhammadun, where is Muhammad? Huwa fil gurfati. Huwa fil gurfati. He is in the room. Aina sa'atu, where is the watch? Hiya ala sariri. Hiya ala sariri. It is on the bed. Aina yasirun. Aina yasirun, where is yasir? Huwa fil hammami. Huwa fil hammami. He is in the bathroom. Aina aminatu, where is Amina? Hiya fil matbakhi. Hiya fil matbakhi. She is in the kitchen. Then another question is coming. We know this hamza, right? If I have one statement, if you neglect this hamza for a second, suppose if you don't read it, so we'll read Aminatu fil gurfati. That is statement, right? Aminatu fil gurfati. Amina is in the room. So if I put hamza before it, it becomes a question, right? Aminatu fil gurfati. Aminatu fil gurfati. Is Amina in the room? This is a question, right? Aminatu fil gurfati. Is Amina in the room? The answer could be, we have seen Amina is not in the room. She is in the kitchen. So we can say La. Hiya fil matbakhi. Hiya fil matbakhi. Is it clear?
Yeah, this one is like a has a sarirun like that.
Yeah. So this one we have seen ahadha sarirun, ahadha kitabun, similar to that. So Aminatu fil gurfati is a statement. Aminatu fil gurfa. Amina is in the room. If I put Hamza maftuha before it, it becomes a question. Aminatu fil gurfati. Is Amina in the room? Then next few questions are Yasirun fil matbakhi. Yasirun fil matbakhi. What does it mean? Yasirun fil matbakhi. Is Yasir in the kitchen? No. La. Huwa fil hammami. Huwa fil hammami. He is in the bathroom. Man fil gurfati. Man fil gurfati. Who is in the room? Man fil gurfati. We have found Muhammadun fil gurfa, right? So the answer will be Muhammadun fil gurfati. Here the question word is man. Who is in the room? So I cannot simply say huwa fil gurfati. So huwa fil gurfati, because this will not the person will not know who this he will mean, right? So I have to say the name of the person. Muhammadun fil gurfati. Similarly, waman fil hammam. Waman fil hammam. Waman fil hammami. So what will be answer? Yasirun fil hammami. Yasirun fil hammami. Yasir was in the bathroom, right? So Yasirun fil hammami. Mada alal maktabi. Mada alal maktabi. This word mada means what? This also we can use for questioning. So mada alal maktabi. What is on the table? So we know on the table there was a book, right?
Kitabu.
So we can, yeah. So al kitabu alal maktabi. Al kitabu alal maktabi. Next question coming, Mada ala sariri? Mada ala sariri? What is on the bed? Mada means what? Ala sariri, on the bed. Ala sariri means on the bed. So if I say Mada ala sariri, what is on the bed? So we know there was a watch on the bed, right? So we can say as-sa'atu ala sariri. As-sa'atu ala sariri. Then we have Ikra waktub ma'a dabti awakhiril kalimat. This means read and write each of the following words, vocalizing its last letter. That means I have to read the ending. So what is here? Dhamma, fatha, kasra, I have to read. So if there is no pronoun before the word, we have to read al-madrasatu. Al-madrasatu. Then this pronoun is coming before it. So we have to read fil madrasati. Fil madrasati. Fil bayti. Al-baytu. Al-gurfatu. Al-hammamu. Fil hammami. Fil matbakhi. Al-maktabu. Alal maktabi. Alal kursiyi. Alal kursiyi. As-sariru. Alal kitabi. Alal kitabi. Fil masjidi. Right? This is how you have to read. Then another read and write is coming. Ikra waktub. At-talibu fil jamia. At-talibu, we know, the student, right? At-talibu means the student. Fil jamia. Jamia means university. University. Okay. So if I say at-talibu fil jamiati, at-talibu fil jamiati. Fil jamiati means in the university. At-talibu means the student. So at-talibu fil jamiati means the student is in the university. Next is coming ar-rajulu fil masjidi. Fil masjidi means in the masjid. Ar-rajulu means the man. So if I say ar-rajulu fil masjidi, ar-rajulu fil masjidi, this will mean the man is in the masjid. Next is coming aina tajiru. Aina tajiru. At-tajiru, we know this is the merchant. At-tajiru means
Business.
the merchant. So if I say Aina tajiru, where is the merchant? The answer could be Huwa fi dukkani. Huwa fi dukkani. He is in the shop. Next is coming Al-qalamu alal maktabi. Al-qalamu alal maktabi. Al-qalamu alal maktabi. Al-qalamu, we know, the pen. Alal maktabi means on the table. Al-qalamu alal maktabi, the pen is on the table. Next is coming Aina Jainabu. Aina Jainabu. Where is Jainab? Hiya fil gurfati. Hiya fil gurfati. She is in the room. Ainal waraku. Ainal waraku. Where is the paper? Ainal waraku. Huwa alal maktabi. Huwa alal maktabi. It is on the table. Here I am translating it is, right? This huwa means it, because I am asking about the paper. So Ainal waraku, where is the paper? The answer will be, suppose the paper is on the table. So we say huwa alal maktabi. Huwa alal maktabi. Here this huwa means it, and referring to al waraku. Ainal waraku huwa alal maktabi. Huwa alal maktabi. It is on the table. Ainal mudarrisu, where is the teacher? Ainal mudarrisu huwa fil fasli. This word al faslu means the classroom. So if I say fil fasli, we don't say fil faslu, fil fasla. We must always say fil fasli, fil fasli. So if I ask ainal mudarrisu, where is the teacher? Suppose the teacher is in the classroom. So what we say? Huwa fil fasli. Huwa fil fasli. He is in the classroom. Aina Yasirun. Aina Yasirun. Where is Yasir? Huwa fil mirhadi. Huwa fil mirhadi. This word mirhad means toilet. This means toilet. So fil mirhadi means in the toilet. Huwa means he. So this huwa is referring to Yasir. So when I say Aina Yasirun, where is Yasir? Suppose he is in the toilet. We say Huwa fil mirhadi. Huwa fil mirhadi. So he is in the toilet. Next is coming Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai. So Ash-shamsu, we know. Ash-shamsu means the sun.
Sun.
Yes, al-qamaru means the moon. So if I say ash-shamsu wal qamaru, the sun and the moon. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru, the sun and the moon, where they are? Fis samai.
Okay.
Fis samai, in the sky. Sama means sky. So ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai, the sun and the moon are in the sky. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai. Man fil fasli. Man fil fasli. Man means who. If I say man
Who?
fil fasli, so fil fasli means in the classroom. So man fil fasli will mean who is in the classroom. Next we have ta'ammal ma yali. This word ta'ammal, this is also a command. So this means consider, ponder, think. So we have Muhammadun. We read Muhammadun Aminatu. Khalidun Zainabu. Hamidun Fatimatu. Yasirun Maryamu. Ammarun Aishatu. So what is happening? Muhammadun is a masculine, right? This is masculine. These all are feminine words denoting person, right? Amina is a person. Zainab, Fatima, Maryam, Aisha. You can see this word that denotes a feminine person. So it doesn't have tanbeen. We don't read Aminatun. We read Aminatu. Similarly, Zainabu. We don't read Zainabun. That will be incorrect. We read Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu. But in masculine, we have tanbin. Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Yasirun, Ammarun. But we read Aminatu, Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu. Similarly, here we have Sa'idun, Aliyun, Abbasun, Khadijatu is a feminine. feminine word, person. Khadijatu, Safiyatu, Ruqayyatu. Ruqayyatu. Okay. So this is how we read. Then it's coming again. Read and write each of the following words, vocalizing its last letter. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. أواخر الكلمات. That means last letters. So how we'll read? This will be حامد. حامد. زينب. آمنة. عمار. سعيد. فاطمة. مريم. علي. خالد. عباس. عائشة. محمد. صفية. خديجة.